So my name is Gavin Swallow from 3M. Okay, I'm here demonstrating the latest 3M product, which is 3M's protective wrap film. Okay, and we're just going to demonstrate quickly on this wing mirror, which I've cleaned and prepared already. Okay, and I've propped some knifeless tape already on this, and this is precision line. Okay, nothing less than precision line will work with the protective wrap film. This is the latest product from 3M. Okay, and this is designed, okay, to give the maximum protection and also give a color change. Okay, we've got a clear liner and a protective top coat, of which I'm going to remove to help the install. I'm going to take my back liner away. Okay, and for the wrappers amongst us, this feels a little bit different, but if you're a PPFer, you'll enjoy this because this is exactly what you're used to. And without any heat, I'm going to take the product and stretch this over the edges. We've still got control tap, which allows the product to slide, but with very little heat. And as I say, we're working at room temperature here, so we're around about 18, 19 degrees. And all I'm doing is spreading the film. Okay, I'm not overstretching it, I'm just spreading it out. As you notice, this is a dry install. There is no fluid, not like traditional paint protection films. And all I do is take this round. Once I'm in position, okay, I can take my squeegee and I can apply. Again, we've got comply technology, which means there will be no bubbles. And if there are any bubbles, like this, they'll rub straight out. Take this all the way around, okay? Again, ensuring it's spread, no tension, no heat, no overstretch, okay? Round she goes. Okay, and again, I already laid my knifeless tape, so all I'm going to do is to show this.
Customer time or installation company.
Start my knifeless tape. Start from the other end, it's easy to see probably on the camera.
Number vehicle back per month. That's it. No, I miss always working. But thank you so much.
And this is one of 26 colours. And some of these are new colours, exclusively to 3M. And like a wrap film, conformable, it's a bulk fit, no need to template. And any scratches we have in the surface can easily be removed like traditional PPF with a little bit of heat. Sometimes even sunlight's just enough to bring it back to normal. And this is a high gloss finish, okay, and amongst this product we've got 26 colours, some exclusive. So not only can a customer receive a quality wrap, this is now a protective wrap film, okay, with 10-year warranty, okay. This is as good as any PPF, but it can be installed like a wrap, okay. Come down and see us at 3M.